feeling down with some skull action. Come on, give some noise. That was pretty crazy. Alright, now we see him eye up the triple step right here. This is a very technical obstacle. What you're going to see him do is use that suspension right there to bounce himself up those 3 steps, as well as precise clutch and throttle flips. Very, very technical. A pretty gnarly obstacle, but hey, let's make it a little gnarlier. Who wants to see a man Smalls put his life in danger for you guys? Who wants to see it? Come on! Alright, this is how Small turns his paycheck around here. He's the laying down bastard, putting himself on the line for you guys. He's going down, right? Huge is away from Smalls. Smalls, how you feeling down there?
I don't know if I'm feeling it, man.
You know, make it feel, guys. Let's make it feel. Come on!
Alright, we got these 2 big crazy looking black barrels here. Phil is eyeing them up. Seeing what he's gonna do. He's gonna bounce over the first one. Over the second one, he's a little whip. Call that a butt whip. Alright, we got Matt starting with the front wheel on the first one. Make it over the second one. Bounce with it. And he with the nose really.
Alright. Hey, make sure you guys check out Smage.com. It's a website we got going on. It's got all of our adventures throughout this whole tour. We do more than just shows. We're always trying to find some rad stuff to do. We got videos. And there you see Phil blasting up that side of the trailer. And Pat going off the flat right there. If you notice, there's no jump. There's no kicker. He's jumping straight up to the top of that thing. And they're calling out Smalls. Yeah, I know you guys wanted to see Smalls get put in danger. Let's give him a round of applause, guys. Come on. Alright, I see Cole there. He's got a neat look on his face. Swiping his finger across his throat. Smalls, you're going down, buddy. Smalls pushing back. Nope, you're not going to hit me today, he said. Well, I mean, at least not yet. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so who wants to see Smalls get jumped over? Alright, guys, I think they want to see it. Here we go with Bill. All the way across the field, straight to the back wheel. That's a good 6 feet right there. A big gap. Smalls landed on the line. Any mistakes if he would have done so. Alright. Have you guys seen Smalls had enough? Does Smalls need some more torture? Yeah, he does. Smalls, you know what you gotta do, buddy. Lay down on the ground. Matt's spreading his legs right there and putting his hands over the danger zone. You're gonna want to watch that crouch, buddy. Oh, Phil jumping on the brakes in the last second. That's scary. This is a slippery floor we got here. Matt Endover right by his face. Doing some slice and dice with the front tire. 4 inches away from the money maker. Let's give it up for Small. Matt, you want to take a little closer. And you get Small the burnout right into the garage. Phil, throwing up a big ender. Oh, I think I saw a little rotation right there. Small's getting the tap on the jewels. And then they jumped over the entire length of his body. There's no ramp, there's no jump. They're plenty hopping these motorcycles off the flat ground. Pretty darn impressive. Did you say pretty darn impressive? That was really hard. I thought that was really impressive. Did that let go? Max, you enjoyed Smalls when you're on. I'm sorry, buddy. different one there, a couple inches away from your face. Also got some surf wheelies. Hey guys, remember, Smage, go back on, check it. We've got videos of our adventures on the whole tour. You're going to want to check it out. Alright, I know that you guys like free stuff, but do you want some more? I said, do you want some more? Come on!